Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, from today's onward we started a new course which is called Instagram Post Design course, in which I will tell you how to design Instagram posts on different niches. So guys, this is a very easy skill. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So guys, first of all I tell you about, if you don't know about anything about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist and then check out the playlist which is called Canva mastery course, in which I teach all A to Z Canva A to Z, from zero to professional level. So that's it. So let's start our video. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a travel post design in Canva. So I click on create a design and here I search Instagram post portrait, square, post video. So I choose portrait. So it is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So let's check. So that's it. So in elements in design I search travel. So it shows me different templates according to my niche. So I choose one of the template and then we will customize this template according to our need. So I like this one. This is a simple design. So if you want to change the template style, you can also click there, and as you can see it's changed the style. I like this one. So after that I want to change the background image. So I go to photos and here I search mountain view, and I like this one, so I drag it here, and after that replace background, and that's it. After that I want to change the color into black and change this color into white, and this also white. It's look good. After that I customize this text. You can also customize text according to your need, and that's it. And here I put fake website address. So that's, I think it look good. If you want to customize anything, you can also customize it. And so now if you want to download the image, click on share and download. And you can also download in different formats like JPG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, but I want to download it in PNG. Click on download, and as you can see download is started. And now he asked me where I can download. So you can select according to your location and save, and you can see it's downloaded. So that, guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through this skill. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.